we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Good morning! I just got done with the shower and now I'm going to make some breakfast. Today I'm filming what I eat in a day, so hopefully you all will enjoy. So we are gonna start with the breakfast, but first I want to show you the nails I just did last night. I ordered some few new colors and I was contemplating what to put for this week, and I went with the green. This is an emerald green. It is so gorgeous, so very pleased with this. And this is a soak off gel nail. Now back to the breakfast. I'm going to make some crepes because I've been craving my French food lately, so let's go. This is actually the book I'm using for my crepes. I love this book, and we are going to make the savory thick crepe. Eggs over here. I love cutting the strawberries in a butterfly shape. Time for coffee. I'm gonna use this one here for the froth. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Hopefully it's not going to be too sweet. I think this might be too hot. Let's see. This is good. Wow, first one. Put a huge amount of butter.
I've been acting like a wild man, sleeping like a child.
I did not use the whole pan because that's just way too big. I went and changed because I was toasty wearing the sweater. So this is just simple t-shirt, graphic t-shirt from J. Crew. Breakfast is almost done. Since I haven't made crepes for like over 2 or 3 years, I am just kind of adding everything today and see how it will taste. So I will have this Nutella for the spread. So I will have one crepe for the savory and then the other one is with the Nutella. I haven't tried it before, so we will test it out and see how it's going to taste like. Okay. Nutella. And then I'm going to roll it. Okay. I'm going to do the avocado, the egg. Drizzle with honey over the fruits, because especially in the winter the fruits aren't really sweet. This looks amazing. Ooh. Okay, colorful. I'm gonna try with the Nutella first. This is so good. Then I'm gonna try with the egg, and then the avocado and the raspberry. Since breakfast is out of the way and all of the cleaning is done, now I want to show you some few lounge items I got from J. Crew. I haven't really been purchasing anything for the fall and winter, and when I went on their website they had like over 60% off, so I was looking for pajama and some lounge wear. I want to show you what I got so far. So the first one is the pajama set. I have been wanting to get like a silk material just because it's so elegant, it is soft and just so beautiful, right? So I found them on sale. This is a silk satin feel. It is so soft, it is luxurious, and oh my goodness, beautiful color. And I love the detail around here, such a beautiful accent. And this is the pant. Oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous. I love how soft it is. Wow, this is amazing. The next one I got was a sweatshirt. This is just a white color sweatshirt with the J. Crew sign over here, and it is lightweight, has a good structure, just a typical basic sweatshirt, so it'll be really good for the lounge wear. And the last piece from J. Crew is this sweatpants. Oh my goodness, I love the color. It is that cozy sweatpants. It has a good elastic waistline here. Now this was an extra small because they didn't have the extra small, so it fits me just a little tucked in. I think it would have fit me better for the extra small one, but they didn't have that size, so this is gonna be just fine. It is soft and cozy, and I love the detail on the hemline here. So it's not super small, but yet it's not super wide. So this next one wasn't from the J. Crew collection, and it isn't a new item. Rather, it was an old item from Zara. It was this long tonic boyfriend shirt. The length was a bit awkward to turn it into a dress, and I found it awkward to just wear it as a shirt. So what I did was I cut the length off and really created a shirt for this. So this is like an oversized shirt that really fits me, kind of like an understated, undone vibe. So I say it turned out pretty well. Now I'm able to wear it with anything I want, with a skirt, jeans, shorts. So I'm so glad with the final product. Now I'm gonna try them on to see how they fit me. I haven't tried them on yet, so I'm hoping they all will turn out nice. So here it is. The sweatshirt fits so nicely. I love the oversized vibe, very understated, casual, comfy. This is with the sweatpants, really good together. And if I untuck it, it's about right over here. Very happy with this option. If I want to dress up this sweatshirt, I can wear like a turtleneck under, a collared shirt that has a different color. That would be so nice together. And I love the length on the sweatpants. Fits me perfectly. So gorgeous and casual. I am in love with this set. The pant length is perfect for my height. and perfect size as well. I am obsessed with this piece. Oh my gosh. It is so soft. It is silky, luxurious. It feels amazing. I'm very happy with this purchase. The last piece that I want to show you is this shirt. And you can see it's so big. And it used to be so long around this length. However, on each side here, the slit was just so awkward for me to make it into a dress. I didn't want to throw it away or waste it, so that's why I turned into a regular oversized shirt, and this is just so cool. You can see here, just nothing fancy. However, for like an understated, undone, I would tuck it in, roll the sleeves in, and voila. Casual, understated vibe. Loving the look here. And now I'm actually feeling sleepy, so I'm gonna make myself another coffee. I'll do my video editing, and then it's going to be a lunchtime. It is lunchtime, more like late lunch. I have been editing my video, and now I am really hungry, so I am going to grab something from the fridge. I have some leftovers, and they're so good. I made a ground potato the night before and filet mignon from Kansas Steak Company, and oh my gosh, this steak is divine. The truffle butter spread was so good. So I am just so glad that I had some leftovers, because I am super hungry and been craving it for all day. And I might eat it with wine, because why not? I mean, when you have a creamy gratin potato with filet mignon, wine is the must. So let's get started. So this is my plate. It is cute and thin. I am obsessed when it comes to plates. Well, when it comes to many things, but this is so cool. And also, this is the new wine glass that I got. So this is more of a cocktail glass. However, I have always used like the regular wine glasses, champagne glasses, and yeah, just got tired of it, and I wanted something new, something different. So I want a little bit of an opening over here. So I went to Home Goods and found about 8 glasses in this beautiful case, and I was like, why not choose something different, choose something that just kind of freshen up the glass that I have. So that's why I got this one, and it is so beautiful. This is like perfect for the chocolate champagne martini, but for today it is the wine. I don't want to eat too much, because tonight I'm going to get dinner with a friend. We are going to Lebanese food. My friend hasn't tried a Lebanese food, so we are gonna go. I like taking my friends to restaurants that they haven't tried before, because it's just so much fun to explore and try different food. This is the wine I'm drinking today, and this is obviously a French wine, which I don't think I would know how to say. Look at that golden gratin potato. Trying the filet mignon. Such a divine cut. The ground potato is so creamy, delicious. Great seasoning. The recipe for this ground potato was from a French lady I follow on YouTube. Wow, this is the best filet mignon I have had thus far. Ooh. Wow. This wine is from the Left Bank Bordeaux, and this says powerful aromas of red and black fruits. There is a touch of wood influence with some black pepper notes. On the palate, the wine is perfectly balanced and has excellent concentration. It is classic and not overly extracted, with tannins that are pronounced, and is very approachable because of the perfect acidity. The complex notes of tobacco, spices, chocolate, and red fruits are complemented by a lengthy, intense finish. Oh my gosh. Wow. I love it. It is the evening time and I'm heading to grab dinner with a friend, and then we'll see where the night takes us. And I want to show you my quick outfit. So today I want to add a little bit of everything together for the outfit. This satin shirt from Mango, it is really long, like right over here. So what I did was I tuck in halfway, and this is the sweatshirt from J. Crew. So the smart piece versus the casual piece together. I'm loving this whole vibe here. And then for the purse, I am going to wear this one here. Since everything is casual vibe, I'm adding my hair into a bun for that chic vibe. Alright, so the temperature for tonight right now is about 47 degrees, so that is really cold. Okay, I want to keep it neutral and brown, so I have this camel coat from Mango. And then since we are going to do a little bit of exploring, potentially exploring, I am bringing the gloves here as well to keep me warm. Alright, ready to go, and I'm getting hungry. Let's go.
Say you think about me, because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reason. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about that.
Oh my gosh, I love lights. It's so beautiful.